So today I'm showing y'all how to make some slow cooked crock pot neck bones. These neck bones have been marinating for about 2-3 days. And then I have my veggies of choice, which is like peppers, onions, mushrooms, and these little cute little color peppers. My seasonings is basic garlic, Italian seasoning, some little spice seasoning, seasoned salt, pepper, a little basil. Then you got your goddamn distilled water with apple cider vinegar, because I'm going to add this. And I'm going to add a little red wine vinegar. And then, of course, my drink of choice is Fireball. I always keep a little plastic bag on the side because I'm lazy and I don't like walking to the trash can every 5 minutes. And everybody know when I cook, I put peppers and onions and everything I motherfucking cook. I don't dice them up small. Neck bones. I'll make some gravy with it anyway later. So I got the bottom layer with some peppers and onions. Got these with peppers and onions. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of mushroom. You take the apple cider, pour about 2 teaspoons in there, and then red wine vinegar. Another, you gotta squirt this shit. Squirt, squirt. I can get this.
Now it's time. I wish I could smell this. Oh, and I added
I got a little flour. I'm gonna sprinkle this in here. So you want to make this a little thick, like some gravy. I'm about to put this in the oven. Now, these neck bones is ready for the oven, baby. Straight from the crock pot. I add a little potatoes up in here. Yeah, I'm gonna season it. Don't worry.